Sekuphela umnyaka kodwa kwagcina ukuzala enkundleni zemidlalo. Kuzwakala amavuvuzela abalandeli bachisa ingoma. Ngomnyaka opheleleko ngondaka kwafika umabhubhisa ingogwana iCovid. Kwavaleka yonke into inkundla namatheater kwathula du. iCovid ithe ingagalela abavumi babhalelwa ukuthabisa abalandeli njengeminyakeni. Abanye balinga ukusebenzisa internet kodwa kwabhala.
Most of our arts practitioners are audience based. Due to the lockdown, the loss of audience meant the loss of revenue.
We shouldn't be made paupers. We want to go back to performing. We want business to go ahead.
Kodwa njengombana sekuthomile ukujova kwabantu, kunethemba lokuthi zokuzithabisa zokuvulwa.
We can only fully return to some new normality when we have vaccinated between 67% and 80% of our population. And vaccines are the most powerful game changer in our hands.
Woka masegula Africa neminyaka engaphezulu kweli-18 ubudala angajova kodwa abantu abanengi batsitsila.
Jova ndoda jova.
If we are to return to our stadiums to play and enjoy ourselves, it is important that our vaccination program is accelerated to reach as many as possible.
Urhulumende ngokuhlanganyela nabavumi kunye nabadlali basikimise ijima lokukhuthaza abantu bona bayokujova.
As the president of SAFA has said, free entry tickets for vaccinated at sport and entertainment events. 2, games and performances prioritizing the vaccinated. 3, taking the vaccine to the people.
We're going to give 50% of the tickets to these fans to distribute free, provided and prove they are our medical staff, they are the compliance officers. If you prove to them that you are vaccinated, they'll give you a free ticket.
Abantu abanengi bafisa ingasuthi izinto zingabuyela esigeni. Kodwa nakusafuze bajove ngobuningi ukwenzela bona kuzokuvuleka umnotho.
Fellow South Africans, don't be afraid of the vaccination. It will save our lives. Let's vaccinate.